Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. On today's video I will be discussing the Bitcoin price action and the Ethereum price action, but Bitcoin is right now still respecting our parallel channel that we were looking into yesterday. Yesterday we discussed that it is very likely to see some retracements back towards the middle line of the parallel channel, and after that see a bounce towards the upside getting created here. And right now what we exactly did here is of course get a bounce back towards a move back towards the middle line of the parallel channel. If we're going to touch it, we of course right away increase from that point as well here. So till right now everything is going exactly like predicted as well. If we're looking to Ethereum, we have been warning you guys about it. Ethereum starting to move up very quickly. We are literally 3 days away before the London hard fork update, resulting in a huge hype run up right now for Ethereum. As well, we are seeing Ethereum of course clearly creating more volatility here as well on the daily candles. And of course we're going to discuss the Bitcoin 4-hourly chart breaking through the critical resistance, and of course as well successfully finding support on our previous resistance target. So if this sounds interesting for you, make sure to right away smash up that like button. Let's go once again for 400 likes on this video. Since yesterday we reached the 430 likes here, so it would be truly amazing if we can reach it once again here. 400 likes, I do think it's very achievable, and it's only taking a few seconds of your time, and you will be meaning the world for me for sure. So yeah, without any further ado, let's go right away into the video, and let's start off this video with discussing the Bitcoin 1-hourly candles here. So yeah, we are right now of course still trading in this parallel channel here. If we're looking to the RSI, we were creating of course a higher high than this previous high here on the 1-hourly candles, and we were still forming a lower high here on the RSI, resulting in a bearish divergence, resulting in the prices to pull back ever so slightly here. So this was quite unfortunate to see of course, but this is right now the reality, and this is the reason why I do expect Bitcoin was moving down from there on as well. If we're looking back just purely to the parallel channel here, I do expect this middle line to get still supported here. As soon as we're going to break below it, like we did over here, I expect something like this here, a retest of the top side, and then maybe a move back towards the lower side. But it's only if we fail to hold on to this middle line of support. Then you can be maybe potentially look back towards the 40.2k here to maybe accumulate a position. I've been as well telling everyone about that I will be accumulating my long position here on the 40.6k here, and I've not entered a long position yet here on Bitcoin. I'm still waiting on the sidelines to get the opportunity, since the 40.6k will be my major level of accumulation for the least amount of risk here, but still together a very good entry target for the potential next move that we're going to create for Bitcoin. So right now, like I told you before, still standing on the sidelines. You can be already signing up here with Bybit as well in the link in the description. If you're signing up with Bybit, you're getting a $2,000 deposit bonus. So yeah, it will be meaning the world for me if you're going to sign up over there. And you will be, of course, for sure helping out the channel as well if you're going to use the Bybit referral link here in the description. So yeah, Bitcoin on the 4-hourly candles, like I told you before, I will be accumulating my position on the 40.6k, mainly because that will be coming together with the most amount of significance here of this orange box here. It will be giving me the least amount of risk here, and still a very good entry target here. So I will be have to wait a little bit longer here till I can be opening my position here, since yeah, I only want to be opening a position on a very good entry target. And if you may be wondering, but Rover, what are your price targets if you're going to open your trade on the 40.6k, and what will be your stop loss? I will be right now revealing it right away for you guys as well here. So my first take profit area will be the 44.8k here. This comes together with previous support, what will be most likely flipping into resistance. As well, my stop loss will be an approximately 1.8% here, together with a 10x leverage. So basically, to show you the setup here, you're opening it on I am opening it on 40.6k here. Of course, I can't give you any financial advice there. It's just my own strategy that I'm revealing here on this channel. And it will be, of course, a risk for an approximately 1.8% here, with a reward of an approximately 10.5%. What is, generally speaking, of course, a very good risk to reward setup here. And the reason why I do expect the price to increase here are, I mean, I have several reasons to say the price will be increasing. We know if we're enabling the visible range here, let me get this in front of the screen here, because you have to know if you're enabling the visible range here, You can clearly see here on the right side of the screen that there's basically no volume resistance, but will be of course signifying that the prices can be moving up very quickly since there's almost no resistance and almost no trading history around this level here. And what is of course giving me a feeling and of course giving me an idea, okay, it is pretty smart to open your long position on 40.6k, and it is pretty easy to increase in its valuation towards the upside from that point on here as well. Since we already broke through all the resistance, I will be right now longing our previous resistance, since it will be of course providing us major support here, since previous resistance tends to flip into very strong support. But then as well, I want to be explaining one more thing here before moving further into this video here, since I do think it's very important to talk about it, since people are still asking me right now a lot of questions. Why is Bitcoin increasing? And I have a very clear answer for it, and that is, first of all, institutional interest and institutional accumulation. People are saying a lot of questions here. People are saying this company bought for $1 billion Bitcoin, but the price is not increasing. And then it gets pretty interesting, because these people are doing over the border OTC buying. So you will be not seeing their buying in the order book, since they're doing everything through OTC desk here. So Coinbase is looking for a big seller, and there's also a big buyer. But what you have to know here, the reason why the prices are right now as well increasing here, is because these institutions still want to be buying, but there is no one left who is willing to sell their Bitcoin. And it's a very likely thing to see here after, of course, Bitcoin moving down the whole time here, your weekends getting out of the market, prices moving lower here. But right now, we just got shaken, out all these weekends, and the institutions are still buying, but no one is selling anymore. And that is also the main reason why we are right now seeing in this chart right now in front of you, the balance on exchanges, available Bitcoin balance on exchanges decreasing massively. Because before, the balance on exchanges was not decreasing, since there were still sellers in the market, big market sellers. But right now, all the big market sellers are out of the market. But these institutions, and right now, of course, the retailers are coming in once again here, since only retailers are buying once the prices are increasing, where the institutions are buying once prices are decreasing. You can see right now a huge drop off here in available Bitcoin on exchanges, resulting in less and less Bitcoin, of course, in circulation to buy here. What will be resulting in more scarcity? What will be resulting in, of course, Bitcoin to reach higher prices here in the future? And this is also one of these many reasons why I will be still saying we are still in the bull market. This is not even close to be done here. We cool off for ever so slightly here, so the institutions could be accumulating more for a cheaper price here, but it won't be taking long anymore. And I have been still saying it several times here on this channel, 100k will be my at least target here for this coming bull run, and I know for sure that we're going to see it anytime soon here, and it's just a matter of time here. So let me know if you agree with my theory. Of course, I'm giving you a theory here. Of course, it's not confirmed, but this is the way how I think it works currently, since it comes all together. We are seeing the balance of exchanges decreasing while the prices are increasing. It doesn't necessarily have to happen so significantly, but it basically means, of course, in this drop-off period, people were selling, but right now we just run out of sellers, and of course, institutions are still buying, prices shoot up here. So this is the main reason why the prices are right now searching for Bitcoin, and why it probably will be not even stopping anytime soon here. So make sure that you are paying attention, because it looks to be that the sellers are getting pretty exhausted, and the buyers are of course gaining their strength back here as well. We know if we're looking to the daily chart, it is looking so bullish as well. On the technicals, we are looking very strong. Of course, on-chain data, we were looking strong all the way down here. I was bullish all the way down here. People were not appreciating I'm being bullish, but usually I am bullish while prices are dropping off here, and I'm becoming bearish once prices are increasing. And usually it doesn't make me the most popular person, but it does make me the most profitable person here in this space. So let me go further into the video here. Of course, you can see Bitcoin breaking through the very important horizontal resistance line here, white line 40.6k. I've been already warning everyone about it, that I do expect at the end of next week here to see Bitcoin trading around to 47k here approximately. You have to know the game here, since of course it's right now weekend, and usually prices are cooling up in the weekend ever so slightly here. So please don't expect massive price action today. Personally, I will be more expecting price to increase or drop off ever so slightly tomorrow. And of course, the coming week is going to be a very exciting one, since we finally broke through the 40.6k here. Looking forward towards that as well here, guys. As well, make sure that you're checking out my Twitter page here, since of course on my Twitter page at Rover CRC, I warned everyone about this huge move that Ethereum was about to get made here. And right now we're going to discuss the Ethereum valuation, and look good at this here. This huge W pattern is about to break out here on the Ethereum price here, and this will be most likely resulting in the follow through towards the upside here. Make sure that you are paying attention to Ethereum right now here. And I was just trying to raise the awareness to everyone, since of course on this specific channel chart, I mean, you can see clearly we have been forming a low, another low, a double bottom. You can be approaching it like a double bottom, or you could be saying, okay, we have been forming a W over here. We have been forming a W, clear W, and this W is of course on the 4 hourly candles, and it took approximately 43 days here till we broke the neckline, and that is the reason why you want to be just patient in Bitcoin. I mean, 1% of the time in Bitcoin, you're buying. 99% of the time in Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatsoever cryptocurrency, you are waiting. And you can see right now in Ethereum, you have to wait very long here, but you could have accumulated. And of course, I've been accumulating 2 times the position over here on the $1,750 US. You can be all check it back here on my Twitter page here. That's the reason why you should be also following me. Unfortunately, I already closed this position over here on the 2100, and this one I closed on the 2200. So I mean, I'm right now not benefiting on Ethereum trading on the 2600 US, but it's part of my strategy. I will be not taking these huge trades anymore. I am only taking these small moves towards the upside, and after that I'm reevaluating, looking for the next opportunity. Right now I'm standing on the sidelines with all my trades, guys. You have to note, I'm not even in a trade right now. Even prices are increasing. I am waiting for good opportunities here. Unfortunately, I did not hook the Ethereum price towards the upside, the swing, since it was a few dollars up from my accumulation zone, since I was willing to enter my position here around the 2410 US dollars, and we were just about trading on the 2416 US dollars. So unfortunately I missed out, but it's not part of my strategy to still FOMO into trades here. But you can clearly see over here what is my price target right now for Ethereum, since of course if we're looking to the W structure, you could be looking for an Ethereum trading around to 3,000 US dollars, and I will be opting towards that price here in the coming week here, since as well on the 4th of August, 3 days from now on, we are going to see Ethereum 2.0, sorry, not Ethereum 2.0, the Ethereum London hard fork update coming out here, what will be making Ethereum a little bit deflationary, not fully deflationary yet here, but it will be, of course, a right step in the direction. It will be, of course, resulting in Ethereum's getting burned here, and it will be very good for the ecosystem in general, and it will be making some altcoins pretty useless from then on here. So, yeah. Looking forward towards Ethereum. I mean, I do think there will be way more bigger pumps here coming for Ethereum as well. I do expect, I've been already predicting it several times here on the channel, hard fork updates, it will be a hype run up here. It will be pushing up Ethereum probably a little bit too high. It will be making Ethereum a little bit overextended. We could be even pushing above the 3,000 US dollars. And I've been clearly saying it several times to you guys in my videos, in my Twitter posts here, that I've been starting to accumulate more Ethereum than Bitcoin in the last drop off here, and it has been paying off very well for me, at least for now on. And let's see how it will be reacting here in the coming days here, since I do expect the prices to still go even closer towards the price target. So expect Ethereum to maybe cool off for a second over or so from here on. But in the end of the day, I expect still the price target is getting reached here. Nothing goes up in a straight line here. It takes some time to move up here. So in the end of the day, I do expect to see the 3,000 US dollars maybe by the end of the next week as well here. Especially if Bitcoin is going to reach a 47k, it will be definitely very likely to see Ethereum trading around that level here as well. Let me go over here. Ethereum daily chart. Long time ago, we already broke the downtrend over here. And this downtrend, since it was getting broken, moved up very significantly. We are right now seeing, let me say this correctly, we are seeing, of course, 11 green candles in a row right now here. Of course, today's candle still has to be closing here, but 11 green candles in a row is pretty sick here as well for Bitcoin. We have not done this here since 2017 here, so this is one of the most bullish times I've ever seen here in Bitcoin. This will be kickstarting a bullish momentum here in the market as well, and it is just showing you the strength right now in the current market where we're in here. So looking forward towards it for sure, and I definitely can't wait to see where we're heading towards. But let me as well discuss the final parts here about this very significant Ethereum compared to Bitcoin fall symmetrical triangle here. I'm sorry. So this symmetrical triangle looks quite interesting, and the reason why I'm saying so is because we're right now heading towards our resistance target here of the green line here, and this green line is providing massive amounts of resistance along the way down here. The right now, since we have been starting to increase so quickly in valuation, we are once again retesting it, and once again as well, we were exactly saying, well, we were seeing it close below this level, this will be 90% for sure a fake out, and I've been warning everyone about it here already on my YouTube channel here. make sure you can literally see everything back here what I said, and I was not saying it can go up or down. No, I was saying this is 90% for sure a fake out, and it will be extremely likely to see a move back towards the upside getting created here, and I don't expect at all move down from there on, since the hard fork update will be creating a lot of hype here for Ethereum. So you can see it compared to Bitcoin, it is trying to break its downtrend. As soon as we're breaking this green line over here, I expect to see Ethereum compared to Bitcoin reaching this valuation around to 0.65 here, what will be resulting in another resistance test here. If we are able to break through that level, this is going to be a quite huge move that we're about to get created here, what could be leading, of course, towards a 1% Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation, sitting at 1% here, and that will be, of course, resulting in Ethereum closing in towards Bitcoin as well in coin market cap, what will be, of course, in the end of the day, resulting in more gains for Ethereum than Bitcoin, and that is also one of these many reasons why I've started to accumulate here. So looking forward towards it here. It's going to give us high opportunities here. Of course, we have to wait a little bit longer till this daily candle is closed here, since I can then give you, of course, exact targets where we are probably heading towards, since we have not closed this daily candle yet here. We have to wait still another 16 hours before really confirming where the market is heading towards. So of course, if we're going to see this candle close, for sure I will be keeping everyone up to date here on my Twitter page. So guys, let me know in this video how hard you liked it. Let me know with the like buttons how much you like this video here. I personally think it's a pretty good video here for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Make sure to still smash up the like button. Let me know in the comment section where you want me to make a video about. I can maybe go in depth about a certain altcoin. I maybe can go in depth about a certain project, of course. And of course, I can be looking into your request. And of course, if you're seeing something else here in the market that I am not paying attention towards, make sure to just tweet it to me, because I'm trying to reach every single tweet that you guys are sending me, and I really highly appreciate what you guys as well are doing for the community here. So guys, this was already it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the